There's a hellbound train headed down the track. There's a hellbound train headed down the track. Once you get on board, there ain't no coming back. There's a hellbound train, get on board. People, oh good people, I've heard so many tell of a train that's on a track and it's pointed straight to hell. There ain't no sweet salvation if you choose to get on board. So just find yourself a seat, 'cause we're running from the Lord. There's a hellbound train headed down the track. There's a hellbound train headed down the track. Once you get on board, there ain't no coming back. There's a hellbound train, get on board. I drank my share of whiskey, I drove women insane, and I swore a streak of blue, I even took his name in vain. I'm a sanctified sinner, a lost soul without the shame. Now I've got a one-way ticket on a hellbound train. There's a hellbound train headed down the track. There's a hellbound train headed down the track. Once you get on board, there ain't no coming back. There's a hellbound train, get on board. Well, I got this friend the devil, and we're on a first name basis. Alcoholic, son of a bitch, womanizer, bigot, racist. It'd be useless if I run, 'cause he knows the look my face is. There's a hellbound train, get on board. There's a hellbound train headed down the track.